Welcome to FunScience Network, the best location for a collection of educational tools and easy-to-use websites and resources for teachers and students. In the FunScience Network, we have FunScienceDemos, FunScience Tunes, FunScience Support, and FunScience Tools. We also have the Biology Workshop, which presents many different resources to help students learn about biology. Both the FunScience Network and the Biology Workshop is created by Temple University's College of Science and Technology. FunScienceDemos is our main YouTube channel with over 300 plus videos of engaging demonstrations about Earth and space science, physical science, and life science. There is an endless amount of educational and entertaining videos that you can watch with your students. Our videos are adaptable to all grade levels, making them accessible to all students. The videos are easy to watch, meaning that anyone, even those without a background in science, can easily learn the topics we discuss. Overall, FunScienceDemos is a great YouTube channel for those who want educational and understandable science content. FunScience Tunes is part of our YouTube channel. It consists of very high-quality animated videos, each with a focus on different scientific topics. These videos are incredibly informative while also being entertaining, making it the perfect way to teach students, especially young children, about science. Because the videos in FunScience Tunes are all animated and with voice acting, this will make it perfect to teach young children as it'll draw in their attention. Some of the current FunScience Tunes we have published are called Fossils Tell a Story and How Does an Electric Motor Work? Be sure to check out FunScience Tunes for very educational and entertaining animations on science. FunScience Support is a website with a complete and high-quality curriculum that you can use to teach your students and children of all ages. All of the information, activities, and assessments on FunScience Support have been created to align with the next generation science standards. We provide reading, writing prompts, and poems, as well as short assessments, interactive simulations, and educational videos from FunScienceDemos. We also have two additional resources called STEM Ideas and Text by CK12. STEM Ideas has a list of videos that help young children learn how to become scientists. As for Text by CK12, it provides free textbooks that are publicly accessible to all students and teachers. All the resources provided can be easily translated into your desired language using Google's built-in translation system. FunScience Support provides many online resources for students and teachers to use in the classroom. The mission of FunScience Tools is to shed light on some of the best science education tools, as well as some of the best educational YouTube channels. We provide many educational resources, websites, and YouTube channels that can help students learn difficult scientific topics. These materials and resources are available for all teachers and students, ranging from elementary students all the way up to university students. All of the resources provided are free and fully accessible to the public, meaning that anyone can access the materials. FunScience Tools is organized in a way where every resource is only a click away, making it super easy for you to find exactly what you need. The Biology Workshop presents a collection of resources that highlights the most important information you need to know about different biological topics. Each page on the Biology Workshop includes a list of bulletin points that states a general overview of the important things that you need to know about that subject. There are plenty of videos, interactive simulations, websites, and passages that provide even more information on your subject. There are plenty of topics focused on cells, such as cell energy, cell information, cell proteins, and cell communication. We discuss other biological topics such as life's evolution, plants, bacteria and viruses, ecology, and the human body. Using the Biology Workshop, you can become more informed on biology, or you can use information provided to teach your students. The overall goal of the Biology Workshop is to educate more people on the wonderful and interesting world of biology. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out all the resources I discussed today in the FunScience Network.